Introduction. Living together, humans live in a society and constantly interact with their surroundings. Our influences, our behavior is shaped by family, community, work, and traditions. Real Life Connect. This subject helps students understand how society works and how to relate learning to real world situations. Good citizens. It builds critical thinking, analytical skills, and responsible citizenship in students. Meaning of social science. Definition. It is the systematic study of human society and social relationships. Main focus. It studies human activities, institutions, and how societies change over time. Versus natural science. Natural science studies the physical world. Social science studies human behavior. Word origin. The word society comes from the Latin word socius, which means companionship or living together. Integrated nature of social science. To understand society completely, social science integrates four main subjects: history, the study of past events and developments; geography, the study of the relationship between humans and their environment; political science, the study of governance, laws, and democratic values like justice, equality, and freedom; economics, the study of how resources are produced, distributed, and consumed; sustainability, the ultimate goal of balancing society, economy, and environment to solve real problems. Scope of social science wide and multidimensional. It studies the complete structure of society, how it changes, and how individuals or groups interact with each other. Social institutions. It examines how key pillars like family, religion, education, and community shape human behavior and social values. Economic activities. It covers how human needs are met and how development happens through agriculture, industry, trade, and services. Political systems. It explains how power is organized, how laws and decisions are made, and how governments function at different levels. Human environment interaction. It studies how physical features, climate, and natural resources influence human settlements and daily activities. Modern social issues. It creates awareness about major societal challenges such as equality, poverty, unemployment, and environmental degradation. Scientific approach. It equips students with logical, analytical, and reasoning skills to study society in a systematic and scientific way. Relevance of social science in everyday life. Everyday connection connects directly to our daily experiences and helps us understand the social forces that shape our lives. Understanding society explains social relationships, customs, and traditions while teaching students to respect cultural diversity and live in harmony. Environmental awareness uses geography to study the human-nature relationship, highlighting resource conservation and critical problems like climate change and pollution. Economic literacy uses economics to show how goods or services are produced and consumed, covering vital real-world issues like poverty, income, and employment. Civic responsibility uses political science to explain democracy, the constitution, the roles of the government, legislature, executive, judiciary, and the rights and duties of active citizens. Understanding social science, Indian perspective, addressing diversity. India's complexity arises from its vast physical, cultural, and linguistic diversity. Social science is essential to understanding this diversity alongside the nation's specific social, economic, and political challenges. Historical heritage. History allows students to explore India's ancient civilizations, cultural traditions, and the freedom struggle, helping them appreciate our rich heritage. Political framework. Through political science, students study India's democracy, constitution, and their own fundamental rights and duties, fostering awareness of their roles as citizens. Economic challenges. Economics addresses India's specific issues like poverty, unemployment, and inequality, while emphasizing the need for inclusive, sustainable development. Nation building. The subject promotes unity, national integration, and social harmony, encouraging students to actively participate in the process of building the nation. 1.5 Major disciplines of social science. History examines past events and civilizations to understand how societies evolved and the roots of current institutions. Geography studies the earth, natural resources, and how physical factors like climate and terrain influence human activities and settlements. Political science focuses on governance systems, laws, public policies, and how power is exercised and controlled within society. Economics analyzes how societies use limited resources to meet unlimited wants, focusing on the production, distribution, and consumption of goods. Interrelationship and values interconnectedness. These disciplines are interdependent. For example, geography influences economic activities, while historical events shape current political institutions. Understanding these links provides students with a holistic view of society. Social values. The subject promotes inclusivity, respect for diverse cultures, and social harmony. Civic and ethical values. It teaches equity, justice, human rights, and sensitivity towards social injustice. Democratic and sustainable values. It emphasizes responsible resource use, sustainability, and democratic principles like tolerance, accountability, and the rule of law.